Hello everyone, welcome to Django for Beginners, and in this tutorial just going to be focusing on making a sign up form with Django, a custom sign up form. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is actually start your server, and yeah, my server is running already, and this is what it looks like in Chrome. There you go, just a basic Django page that says it's installed, and then in my Sublime text I just have my base.html page with bootstrap CDN, and then my settings.py I have my core app in the installed apps. That's this app over here, and then I also created a signup.html page that extends from the base, and yeah, that's basically all I have. So in order to make this form, you don't need to add anything in your models, and you don't need to create views, and it's really simple. So I'm just going to start here. So it's div sign up request, and then if request method is equal to post. So I want the username, and it will be username, and then I'm just going to copy all of this, and we're actually going to have three fields. So we're going to have the username, we're going to have password, and then we're going to have password 2. And the reason why I want two password fields is so that the user can confirm their password to make sure that they typed in the correct password. And then we want to add some form errors if the passwords are incorrect, and that's all you do for that part. And then if password is equal to password 2, meaning if both passwords do match, then return redirect sign up. Let's put that in quotation marks, and I also need to import, and have redirect over there. So from Django contrib import messages from Django contrib.auth import login, and then also create a logout function, and then again from Django contrib auth models import user. So we're going to be creating a new user, that's why we importing the user, and then this is just to log the user in once the user is actually signed up, and then the messages is just to indicate whether the user is signed up or not, just basically to notify the user. So if the passwords do match, and we're gonna messages request, and in the message you want to say you are logged in. Okay, and then we actually want to log in this user. So over here, log in request user, and then we need to create a user variable. So just user is equal to user objects dot create create user, username is equal to username, password is equal to password. So basically it's taking this field here, putting it there, and this field here that the user typed in, putting it there. So we're just creating a new user based on the input that the user typed in over here. And then so user, create user, then it logs that user in, and then it returns a message to say you are logged in, and redirects that person to the sign up page, back to the sign up page. But you can redirect that person to a separate page if you have different more pages, but I'll have one. So if the passwords do not match, return redirect sign up, and also a message, error message, request in say passwords do not match, words do not match. Okay, so we have that done. Return render sign up.html. Okay, so now that we have our views all sorted out, we can actually go to our URLs, and then over here let's import the views from our app, from core import views. So just importing the views that we just the view that we just created, and then path you want to leave that empty, and then in our views we're going to the sign up view that we created, and then name we're just gonna sign up. Yeah. Okay, now that's done, let's go to our HTML, and then it's form method is post, action would be empty, and then we have 3 inputs, and then make some space there and add a CSRF token. Then all our fields are going to have type attribute, a name attribute, and ID attribute, and a placeholder attribute. So first one would be text. The name is username, and then this would be ID underscore username, and then username as a placeholder. And these two would basically be the same, because it's the 2 password fields. Go there and password. So that's right. This would be password 2, and then just say over here confirm password, and then with the ID you can just ID underscore password, and then okay, now to have our HTML, we also need a button, but let's add a class here. Each of them, it's been a while since I've used Bootstrap, so I think it's form control, class form control, and then just add a button class btn primary submit. Okay, that's done, and then you can actually, yeah, so if there are any messages, you can just just display that, and we can put it in a h3 tag. Okay, so now we can actually see this works. Go into Chrome, close that, and then refresh. Okay, there you go. Oh, it doesn't look that nice. Let me just put it in a container and then get back to it. So I'm just going to put this in a container, class container, close that. There you go, that's done. Now I can refresh. Yep, there you go, that looks a bit better. So my username, I'm gonna say David 25, and I'm using it for the password as well, and then submit. Okay, I think I maybe made a mistake with the displaying the tags. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back to Sublime, and then over here add a for loop for message in messages, info, remove that there, and then just to make this look nice, message, and I'll just add a style here. Message padding 1 em, color white, background, let's say light green, and width 100%. And then what I also want to do is actually add a button, add a tag with a class in our base, the HTML base, or add a logout button. So it's btn success, and then I'll just say href is equal to, so we still have to create this this view logout. Okay, and it's really simple. So we import the logout over there, and div logout request. logout request, and then return redirect sign up. There you go. And then we do the same thing for the logout. Okay, there you go, and we're done with that. And I think I forgot one more thing here. Yep, that's right. Oh, forgot something over here. Save that, and then everything should be done. Let's go to our Chrome, refresh. Okay, I think that's my page. Please go to our page. Oh yeah, so it's URL. Now you can check that out. Yep, there you go. So you are logged in, and if I log out, okay, so the problem was that Django actually has a built-in logout function that is, I think it's called logout already. So that actually gave us an error because we're creating our own kind of custom logout. So all you have to really do is change this to sign out, and then copy this, save it. So just change that to sign out the name of the function, and then go to URLs and change all of this here to sign out, paste it there, save, and in your page change the URL name to sign out, and then all that should work. And then I noticed that there was like not a lot of space between the fields, so I'm just gonna add a break tag just to make it look nice, and then yep, now it should work. And then just refresh that. There you go. So I'm gonna say Mitch, and take all that, paste that there. You are logged in, and if I log out, there I'm logged out. And what if I and if the passwords do not match, I'm typing as some random password is given a message. Message is not defined. Okay, let's go to our Sublime. That's in our views. Oh, so I missed an S over here. Yeah, so your syntax is really important. Yeah. Okay, now it should work. Yep, passwords do not match. Okay, so that's how I create a basic sign up form using Django and yeah, Bootstrap, but whatever front-end framework you're using. And then the verse for the day is Psalm 119, verse 67. That's actually a really long psalm. Verse 67, before I was afflicted I went astray, but now have I kept thy word. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, just leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.